Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome to Study with Nova. So today I will show you interesting questions about how to use things like before. What the meaning like a parameter that get all of that item. So the first one, it starts with a copy of user profile that pay from the page 158, and then build a profile of yourself by calling build profile and then using your first and last names and 3 other key value pairs that describes you how to solve these questions. And the first one is this copy of user profile, but the first one I would like to type in for you. So it is to make sure that we understand a lot about how to using def, but it is like very interesting because the parameter is not just only the arcs like before, but 3 parameters. Okay, build profile, and then there are 3 parameters there, and then I would like the first, this is just your name first and last, and then last, and then the third is users info. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, this is user and then info. This the function that the name is build profile. There has 3 parameter, and wait a minute, why? Okay, and don't forget to build a dictionary containing everything we know about user. So because the user's info, okay, user info, this is like the meaning, the first name, is first, is put, oh yeah, put, and then the user info that is like last name, the meaning is last name, and then this is last, and then the return, yeah, okay, good, and then okay, and then return to user info, dessert. And then the second one is we just using a variable. User info is a function that we built before, that is build profile, and then you just add your argument here, maybe okay, it's okay, just only name, maybe this like my name, and then here my name again, and then to make easy I would like to add some locations here, and then Rotterdam here, and then hobby, okay, what hobby, wait, okay, hobby, reading a book, this is the user info, and then you just can print your users info, just like this, see, okay, and then python 3 x3, okay, done. Just yeah, question, first name, it's interesting because yes, because the user's info, the first one is not return info first, this is locations, and then the hobby, and then back to the first name. This is my name, first name, and then the last name, the last. Interesting. Yeah, clear. And then just git status, git add, what do you mean, Python 3, git min m, what do you, using arbitrary keywords arguments. Okay, hood git push my origin me. Then it's easy, right? Let's try another questions. Bye.